Smarter solutions is all about creating customer success.
By retrieving the data that you have in real time, you actually can coach your drivers right now, today, as we speak.
Customers start to reflect on their operations where they can find areas to improve. And that's the whole thing, what we're trying to do.
We can give you one example where the digital service is connected map, where we look for bottleneck and waste in our customers' operation. And with that, we improve the productivity and their performance.
Det är ju produktivitet som vi måste jobba med, det är ju så.
Customers who have tried smarter solutions with Volvo, they say that they reduce fuel consumption, CO2 level, but also maintenance costs.
Ja, det är ju det här med hur du styr våra fordon där ute då. När de har last och det går till rätt ställen och grejer. Det är viktigt, för om man inte har övervakt på då kan det gå bra länge och så lägger massorna på fel ställe.
So what Smarter Solution is all about, it's about helping our customer to decrease their costs, decrease their emissions, reduce their risks. On the other side, we want to help them to improve their profitability and improve their cash flow. And that's what Smarter Solution is all about.